Hi, it's Kathy from Fieldwork Connections, and today I am going to show you and demonstrate how to use an infrared temperature gun, which can often be used in urban fieldwork if you are measuring the heat of a surface when we're thinking about urban heat islands. Could also be used in a natural setting if you're looking at a comparison between a hotter environment and maybe up on a ridge and then a cooler environment down in a valley. So looking at this simple piece of field equipment, to turn it on, it has this trigger here, and we just squeeze it once with our finger. It just clicks once to come on, and then you can see the display come up like this. Now it is correctly reading in degrees Celsius here, and it also says max. Okay, so it's going to give us the maximum reading if we're holding the trigger down for an amount of time. Now just turn it back on again. If I'm going to point it at the ground and I want to measure the temperature in the shade here, just holding it in for a few seconds and release, and we can see that the temperature of the grass is 23.7 degrees Celsius. And if we were doing this as part of an investigation, we'd want to then go and record that on our field sheet. We might just do a comparison to the sandstone, which is over here, a shady part of the sandstone. So click it once on, hold it in. We've got 25.3 degrees Celsius, and then let's just have a third comparison to an area of sandstone in the sun. And you can see that it's quite a bit warmer, 28.4 degrees Celsius. So yes, a very simple piece of field equipment to use with students. I would also recommend that when you have finished using them with students, that you open it up and take out the batteries, because they can easily be knocked back on again if they're just being stored in a box. So yeah, remove the batteries when you have finished using them with your students.